Hey there, audio enthusiasts! Today, I'm thrilled to show you a fantastic method for cleaning up your audio using AI, and the best part, it won't cost you a dime. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's fire up Chrome. Next, head over to runwayml.com. Now, click on Try Runway for free. Select all tools from the menu. Scroll down until you see Clean Audio. Once you're there, click on Upload Files. Now, select the audio file you want to clean. Next, click on Clean Audio. Let's give it a moment to work its magic. Click on the three dots. Finally, click on Download to save your freshly cleaned audio file to your device. Hello everyone, I hope you're all having a fantastic day. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!